procedure. So let's open it up first. I have removed the plastic for this. There's outer plastic, I removed it already. So you just see it from here. There's the outer cover. When you install, you use the screw or double-sided tape. I am going to use the screw. After that, you just plug this in. Okay, over here you fit 3 batteries. Okay, over here you can actually connect it to an AC source. Power is applied to the equipment by installing the AC input supply here. So you can see here, AC input is here. It comes with this insert, wall insert. It's on a wall, but we don't need it because we are not mounting it on a wall. We are mounting it on the door. 4 mounting screws. This kind of screw you can use directly onto the wooden door. This is self-tapping screw. We have this bracket, right? So this part here should be at the bottom. So I want to put it here. Then you mark it. Okay, so this one you just install the battery. This is the flat side. I think in this one you all know. There's an indication here also. And then you just put it on. Remove this. Does it stick? Did it stick? Okay.